1. Use widgets for quick access to weather, news, and calendar. 2. Right-click the Start button to access the Quick Link menu. 3. Enable Auto HDR for better visuals in games. 4. Use the Windows plus X key combination to access key settings quickly. 5. Press Windows plus K to quickly connect to wireless displays. 6. Organize your open windows with snap layouts. 7. Right-click the taskbar and select taskbar settings to customize it. 8. Use Microsoft Edge's vertical tabs to better manage your browser tabs. 9. Use virtual desktops, Windows plus Tab, to separate workspaces. 10. Access the clipboard history with Windows plus V to manage copied items.